Welcome to Quran English Translation. We will read one verse a day. Surah Al An'am Verse 107. But if Allah had willed, they would not have associated. And we have not appointed you over them as a guardian, nor are you a manager over them.
Tafsir, explanation. This verse emphasizes Allah's supreme will and control over the universe. The verse underscores that had Allah willed, He could have prevented people from associating others with Him, meaning that the ultimate guidance and misguidance are within Allah's control.
Divine will and human freedom. The verse indicates that even though people have the freedom to choose, it is within Allah's knowledge and will. He allows the existence of disbelief as part of His divine plan, testing humanity in their faith and actions.
Role of the Prophet, peace be upon him. The verse clarifies the role of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as a messenger. He is not a guardian or a manager over the people, meaning that his duty is to convey the message and invite people to the truth, not to compel or force them to believe. The ultimate accountability and guidance lie with Allah. No compulsion in religion. This verse reinforces the principle that there is no compulsion in religion. The responsibility of the prophet is to deliver the message, while the acceptance of that message depends on the individual's choice and Allah's guidance. This verse is a reminder that while Muslims should invite others to Islam, they should also recognize that guidance is from Allah alone, and they should not be disheartened by the rejection of the message. Instead, they should continue to fulfill their duty with patience and understanding. If you find it beneficial, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Islamic content. May Allah bless you all.